It's exercise time again, and today we have a fun one because there is no exercise review after this lesson to give you the answer. You need to come up with this one on your own. And we have some exciting news here is we're going to use one of your solutions as long as we get at least one that works, and we're going to use that in the actual project. And so what we're doing today here is we're building a leaderboard. So a leaderboard is going to be visible for anyone who's not logged in and for anyone who is logged in. So you don't need to be authenticated to see this new thing we're calling a leaderboard. So a leaderboard is there's going to be some kind of menu up here, and you're going to select leaderboard, and it's going to go to a page, and it's going to have a location drop down and then a list of leaders. So by default, if you are logged in, I'm guessing it would probably pre-select to your home location if we have one on you. If not, it's going to be a blank drop down, and you're going to pick a location. When you pick a location, we want to show the leaders, we'll say top 20 or top 10 or whatever we want to say there, because that can always be changed later. We want to show the leaders for that locations. Who is running the most at that location? So we can easily do that by going through the event attendance table and picking up the runners, so doing a sum on the runners' attendance based on their location. So there's a few things going on there. One, the way that I would approach this is, one, use the Angular CLI to generate a new component called a leaderboard. That's going to give you a lot of what you need as far as the internal stuff and to kind of make everything happen. So you're using the Angular CLI to generate a new component. If you don't remember how to do that, you can always swing back to the beginning of this course, and we've done that a couple times. So you generate this new component, and really this is just going to have a select dropdown, which is really an Angular form at this point. And so that form component, you're going to load with all of the locations. We've done that in many places. I just showed you we did that on the home page to kind of populate the locations dropdown. And then you're going to have a change event listener. So when that changes, I need to fire off a call to kind of whatever service we have on the back end to figure out who the leaders are and what their, what is their total number of runs for that particular event. And so it's going to pull that data back, and then you're going to use that to populate some kind of display tables. So this is where you can get real creative, maybe just have a list of people, maybe have a list and then compare them to, I don't know, other top runners. I don't know what the answer is yet. I'm going to go through this myself at some point. But what I want to do is hopefully get you guys involved and try to come up with a solution. So if you come up with a solution for the leaderboard, we want you to fork our repository. Go ahead and create your solution. You can create it on a branch if you'd like. And then send us a pull request. We'll take a look at it and see if we can incorporate it into the app. And I think we both win there. We get a nice leaderboard component from one of our students. And two, you get to say that you were a contributor on a project for a national running club on a course that you took. So I hope that is going to work out. Again, if we don't get many responses, then I will go ahead and add this to the repository, and I'll kind of send something out and let you guys know it's there for you to look at. But as we are launching this course, I don't want to have a review. I want to see if we can kind of get some involvement with you guys, and we'll go from there. So happy coding. Good luck with that leaderboard. And if you do have some questions while you're developing it, please feel free to reach out to us, and we'll go ahead and help you out with any questions you have. So good luck, and we will see you later.